Tmux stand out as the best Linux terminal on Android, which has all the tools a hacker might need, including Tmux, the terminal multiplexer. It enables users to divide their terminal into multiple panes for efficient multitasking without changing session. So hello, it's Tmux and let's begin by installing Tmux in Termux. So to install Tmux, it's actually quite simple. Just type pkg install Tmux and it will be installed in few seconds. So after the installation is done, to use Tmux, simply type Tmux, press enter and it will refresh your screen displaying a new green line. Now press Ctrl B and %sign and it will split your Tmux screen into two halves vertically. You can switch between screens by clicking inside the panes and you can perform multitasking. So let's run Cmatrix in one of the screens now. Cmatrix, I hope I have it, yeah. So Cmatrix, let's Ctrl ls and let's run something inside this too. Figlet sad, press enter. Yeah, so this looks better and this is how you can divide your screen into two and use it. You can also split the screen horizontally by typing Ctrl+B and then quotation sign. So let's do here Ctrl+B and this quotation sign. So now we have three screens clear. You can use Ctrl+BZ to maximize the screen, Ctrl+BZ to minimize it again. So let's say if you are working somewhere like here, let's get inside this NECLI folder ls. Now I wanna see this screen in maximized mode, so I can just type Ctrl+BZ and it will open something like this. Now I can just type cat hacking.this Ctrl+BZ and again we are back. So if you want to split the screen more, Ctrl+B %sign and here we have a new screen again. Type Ctrl+B and X, so Ctrl+B and X, press Y and it will be closed. And it will only close the pane that is in focus. So in this case it is this one, Ctrl+B X Y and it's closed. So these were the essential shortcuts that you need to know to use the Tmux tool in Tmux like a pro. And I have only included the necessary shortcuts that you really need to use Tmux in Tmux. If you are unsure about what else you can do with Tmux, I recommend a 15-day beginner ethical hacking course. You can check out the first link in the bio for that. It covers everything you can do with Tmux, providing a comprehensive clarification. Check the course topics, you will learn a lot just by reading them. I hope you understood today's lesson. If you are looking for some aesthetic packages that you can run in your Tmux, then you can check out this video. And that's it for this video. Stay inspired, stay creative, and as always, stay ethical.